Hello everyone, myself Rupalakshmi, student of Computer Science Department at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today, for this video, I'll be discussing on the topic marker annotation and single member annotation for the subject Advanced Java. These are the contents discussed in the video. What are annotations? Annotations are metadata for a code. That is, annotations are a way to add supplementary information or metadata to a code elements such as classes, methods, variables, or parameters, enhancing expressiveness. By attaching annotations, developers can make their code more expressive and self-documenting, improving readability and maintainability. Compiler and runtime processing. Annotations provide information that can be processed by the compiler, runtime environment, or other tools to enable various optimizations, validations, and functionality. Extensibility and flexibility. Annotations allow developers to extend the functionality of their code, making it more adaptable to changing requirements and integrating with external frameworks or libraries. Types of annotation. Marker annotation. These simple annotations serve as flags or labels indicating the presence of a particular feature or a characteristic without any additional metadata. Single member annotation. These annotations allow developers to include a specific value or property, providing more detailed and contextual information beyond just a flag. Multi-value annotations. These advanced annotations support multiple properties or elements, enabling the attachment of richer metadata to a code constructs. Repeatable annotations. These type of annotations can be applied multiple times to the same code element, allowing for the accumulation of diverse metadata. Introduction to marker annotation and single membrane annotations. Annotations in the programming languages provide a way to add metadata to the code elements, enabling the compiler, runtime, or other tools to extract and use this information. In this video, we will explore two key types of annotations, marker annotations and single membrane annotations, and their practical applications. What are marker annotations? They are the minimal annotations. Marker annotations are the type of annotation that do not contain any additional metadata. They simply serve as a flag or label to indicate the presence of a particular feature or characteristic. Compiler and runtime metadata. Marker annotations provide information to the compiler, runtime environment, or other tools, enabling them to detect, process, or act on the annotated code elements, enhancing code readability. By using marker annotations, developers can make their code more expressive and self-documenting, improving the overall code readability and maintainability. Syntax and usage of marker annotations. Annotation syntax. Marker annotations are defined using the @ symbol followed by the annotation name placed before the code element they annotate. Applying annotations. Developers can apply marker annotations to classes, methods, fields, parameters, and other code constructs to provide additional metadata. Compiler and runtime usage. The compiler and runtime environment can detect and process marker annotations using the information to optimize, validate, or enhance the annotated code. Examples for marker annotation. @override. This marker annotation indicates that a method is overriding a superclass method, helping the compiler to validate the method signature. @deprecated. Used to mark code elements as obsolete, signaling to the developers that they should avoid using the annotated feature. @suppress warnings allows the developers to suppress compiler warnings for a specific code element, providing a way to selectively ignore certain issues. @transient indicates that a field should be excluded from serialization, which is useful for catching all temporary data that doesn't need to be persisted. What are single member annotations? Single member annotations are a type of annotation that contains a single value or a property. Unlike marker annotations, which serves as a simple flags, single member annotations allow developers to include additional metadata with the annotation. Difference between marker and single member annotations. Minimal metadata. Marker annotations are simple flags that indicate the presence of a feature without any additional information. Single member annotations include a specific value or a property. Richer metadata. Single member annotations allow developers to attach more contextual information to the code elements, enhancing expressiveness and flexibility. Compiler and runtime use. Both marker and single member annotations are processed by the compiler and runtime to enable optimization, validation, and other tooling features. Practical applications and use cases. Marker and single member annotations have a wide range of practical applications from enabling advanced compiler optimizations to facilitating seamless integration with external frameworks and libraries. Developers can use marker annotations to single important code semantics such as overridden methods or deprecated features, helping to maintain code quality and consistency. One common use case for single member annotations are by developers is to provide metadata for the method that specifies a default value or a configurations option. Thank you.